Welcome back, love. This week is all about building emotional strength. Not the kind that hardens you, but the kind that brings you back home to your heart. And today, I want to teach you something simple, something gentle, and something backed by decades of research. Heart coherence. It's a daily practice that calms your nervous system and reduces overwhelm. It increases emotional stability, improves clarity, and helps you feel safe inside yourself again. You don't need experience. You don't need training. You don't need to get it perfect. You just need you, your breath, your heart, and 2 minutes of presence. Let's begin. So, what is heart coherence? Heart coherence is a state where your breath, your heart rhythm, and your nervous system move in sync with each other. When this happens, your body shifts into calm, clarity, emotional regulation, reduced stress, increased intuition, and improved resilience. It's like your inner world finally stops fighting itself. When the heart becomes coherent, the brain follows. This is why people feel less reactive or less overwhelmed. They feel less frantic, less scattered, and more grounded after just a minute or two. For highly sensitive people, this practice is life-changing because it gives your system a place to rest. So, what does heart coherence have to do with emotional strength? Well, true emotional strength doesn't come from pushing harder. It comes from regulating your nervous system. It comes from staying connected to your body and staying present with your feelings and responding instead of collapsing or reacting. Heart coherence teaches patience, emotional stability, inner safety, internal alignment, and resilience without self abandonment. It helps you feel like your body's working with you and not against you, which makes life more manageable. This practice becomes the foundation of emotional strength. Now, before we begin the practice, I want you to find a comfortable place. You can sit or lie down, but just let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften and let your breath fall naturally for a moment. You don't have to try. You don't have to force anything. Just come as you are. Take a moment and shift your attention to your heart. You can place a hand gently on your chest and feel the warmth. Feel the weight. Feel the contact. Imagine breathing through your heart as if the air is moving in and out through the center of your chest. Slow and soft. Now, slow your breath and inhale for 4, then exhale for 4. We can do this together. Ready? And Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Again, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Keep going on your own now. Let your breath be smooth and effortless, like a gentle wave. And as you breathe, think of something that creates a gentle, positive emotion. Not joy or excitement, more gratitude, warmth, appreciation, tenderness, a moment of peace, someone you love, or something that makes you feel safe. You don't have to feel it strongly, just remember it softly, and the body will do the rest. Keep breathing through your heart, in for 4 and out for 4. Let your chest soften. Let your body loosen. Let your face relax. As you breathe, tell your system it's safe to settle. It's safe to soften. Tell your system, my heart and my body can work together. I don't have to brace right now. Notice the tiny shift in sensation. A little warmth, a little openness, a little quieting, a little peace. This is coherence. This is emotional strength in real time. Stay here. Stay with your heart, your breath, your warmth, your presence. You are safe. You are here. You are whole. You are returning. When you're ready, you can let your breath fall naturally again. The beautiful thing about this practice is that you can use it anytime undetected. You can use it before difficult conversations or after overwhelm. You can use it during shutdown. You can use it in the mornings or before sleep. You can use it whenever your heart feels tight. Just 2 minutes a day changes your physiology. It changes your emotional stability. It changes your ability to stay with yourself without abandoning your needs. This is emotional strength built from safety, not survival. If today's practice helped your heart settle, if it helped you understand your patterns, or if it gave you even one moment of peace, you're welcome to walk this path with support, love. My coaching sessions are open for those learning emotional regulation, inner child healing, shadow work, and nervous system restoration. You don't have to be the strong one alone. If your heart feels called, I'm here. Until then, know that you are absolutely loved.